All right, guys, welcome back. We are going to do another for sale video. This time we've got some great properties in Lincoln, Missouri, of all places. Yes, a little deviation from our southeastern state. So we're going out to Lincoln, Missouri. This is in Benton County, and I'm on the Davidson Land Company properties tab. So you can see all the different properties we have for sale. And then I'm just going to scroll down here to one of these in Lincoln, Missouri. So we've listed this in square footage because these are smaller lots. They're typically around 0.10 acres, a tenth of an acre. And really what these lots are camping lots. So this is a beautiful area of the country. If you've not been out there, it is. You should look it up. Lake of the Ozarks is close by. Let's see if I can get into this. And Lake of the Ozarks is close by. What you've got is a plot of land that you can pull a camper on, you can pull your RV on, you could camp there in a tent, whatever you're looking at doing. But these are basically a recreational lot that you can set up shop on. And this community in this area is called Eagle Bay, and in this development there's I think it's a 9-10 acre fishing pond. You've got a boat ramp, access to a boat ramp that leads you out into the Lake of the Ozarks. Lots of great opportunities to play and recreate, fish. There's a lot of great ATV trails through this development. This is a really simple way to do recreation, to get away. And I've got a great description here about where you're at and what the opportunities are. The details on the land here, parcel numbers, GPS locations. Really, you're self-contained when you do this. So I've got zoning and water and power and utilities and stuff like that listed here. But essentially, just imagine that you are camping. This is your weekend getaway or your week or 2 week vacation. You're going out to this area to play and have fun. It is a great area. There's a lot of great hunting in that area. In fact, when I was out there checking out the property, I camped myself, and next morning as the daylight was coming in, I had all these deer around me, and they were joining me for coffee and quiet time. I told my family. So it was so cool. They were just, really just roaming all around, all over the place. It was so crazy. But if you're interested in one of these, we've got two different price points. We've got the $100 a month for $3,000, or the $150 a month for $4,850. And if you're interested, you just hit reserve now. And this will take you to a payment page where you can select what you're ready to do and fill out your information. Fill out here how you want your information titled, and then we'll set up a payment plan for you, or you can pay cash right out at the gate, and it's up to you. But these lots are super cool. I'm just going to do Lake of the Ozarks. This is beautiful, beautiful area. A lot of people boat and recreate here, like I was saying. So cool to see some of the things that go on. It's just beautiful. Now, this is not the development, but you're looking at, wooded areas back in here that you'll be set up at, and this has got lots of different, I'm not sure what these are called, but just different places you can come and go and kind of wind around through to check out different areas. A lot of different marinas, a lot of different boat ramps, but this is such a cool, beautiful area. A lot of great fishing out here. Again, this community is open March through November. So they close in the winter months. And when I say they close, they have a swimming pool, they have a shower house, bath house, so you can freshen up and get back to your fun on the river or out in the lake. Thanks for tuning in.